Hey guys, your favorite maths teacher here today. It's Paul, and today you are clocking in to Paul's Maths Labs. And today we're going to be looking at substitution. And this is the first part of substitution that we're going to do. So I can already tell that some of you are a little bit skeptical and scared because you've seen like a few X's here and there. Like, don't be scared of those X's, man. Don't worry, man. And you've even seen that as well. You're like, oh, what is that little 2? What does that little 2 mean there? Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything today, okay? So substitution, what do you guys understand by substitution? Well, you know, in football, if you're going to substitute a player, it means you take one player up and you replace it with another player. Okay, a very similar concept when it comes to mathematics as well. Okay, now first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to write down a value here for x. I'm just going to quickly say x is equal to, let me put x is equal to 3. No, let's have 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, that's what I'm just going to write here. That's very important for the things down below. So we're going to say x is equal to 2. Okay, so basically what substitution is, so here we've got 2x plus 6. Okay, now basically what it means substitution basically means that we are going to substitute whatever we have. So for example, here we have x equal to 2. So for every x that we have, we are going to substitute it for a 2. Okay, now when we look at an expression like this, 2x plus 6, a lot of people make the general mistake when substituting. They'll say, okay, well, 2x plus 6, if we're just going to replace the x with a 2, they're going to say that basically that means 22 plus 6, which equals to 28. And I want to stop you right there, because that's not what it is. Okay, what does 2x mean? Does anybody know what 2x means? 2x means 2 times x. Okay, so 2x means 2 times x. So 2x means, so we've basically got this 2 times x, then plus 6. Okay, so we've got 2 times x. Well, that is supposed to be an x there. Don't know what quite happened there. So 2 times x, and once we get that, we're going to add 6 onto it. Okay, so let's just put it down. So 2 times x, so that is our x value is 2. So 2 times 2 plus 6. So 2 times 2 is going to give us what? 4. And we're going to add 6 to it, which is 10. Okay, so 4x plus 10 is our next one. So remember what 4x means. So 4x means 4 times x plus 10. So if you remember the rules of BIDMAS, we need to do the multiplication first before we even think of doing any adding onto it. Just had to put that in there. And if you don't know what BIDMAS is, you can look on my BIDMAS video or order of operations video. Okay, so 4 times x, so that is going to be the same as 4 times 2 plus 10. So 4 times 2 is going to give us 8, and we have 8 plus 10, which is going to give us 18. Okay, now to the next one down here. We've got 5x take away 3, so we've got 5 times x, then take away 3. So 5 times x, which is basically 5 times 2, take away 3. 5 times 2 is going to give us 10, and 10 take away 3 is going to give us 7. Lovely. Now here we have x squared. Does anybody know what x squared means? Well, x squared basically means x times x. Okay, that's what x squared means. It means x times x. If it was x and it had a 3 there, it would be x times x times x. But this is x squared, so it's x times x. We just times an x by itself twice. Okay, and we know what our x value is, which is 2, because we knew that with what I put on top before, which is 2 times 2, which gives us 4. Okay, lovely. Now we've got 3 times x squared. Okay, so we've got 3 times x squared, and we know x squared is x times x. So that is going to give us 3 times 2 times 2, which is equal to, well, we can do it anyway. You can do it, since it's all multiplication, it doesn't matter what you multiply first. So we can do, if you want to do the 2 times 2 first, or you want to do the 3 times 2. So let's do the 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 gives us 6 times 2, which gives us 12. Okay. Now let's look at this bad boy here. So we've got 10x squared. So we've got 10 times x times x, take away 5, which is also the same as 10 times 2 times 2, take away 5, which is going to give us 10 times 2 times 2 is going to give us 40. 40 take away 5 is going to give us 35. Okay. Now next one here. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So we got 4x squared plus 2x. So 4x squared is basically going to be the same as 4 times x times x plus 2 times x. Okay. So we basically got 4 times 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2, because x is 2. So let's see what that's going to give us. 4 times 2 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we're going to get 16 plus 4, which equals to 20. Okay. Now we're going to look at the last one. Some of you are like, oh my days, this is going to be hard. Well, it's not really going to be that hard. Okay. Put it here. So we've got x squared. We should really know what the value of x squared is now, but I'll just write it down fully again. So x times x. Now take away 7x, which is 7 times x, and take away 6. Okay. So x times x is going to give us 2 times 2, which is 4. Take away 7 times 2, which is 14, and take away 6. So 4 take away 14 is going to give us minus 10. Minus 10 take away 6 is going to give us minus 16. Okay. So guys, that is basically substitution in a nutshell. I will probably be making a few tougher videos in the future, and possibly looking at some examination style questions on substitution. But yeah, that is basically what substitution is. So basically what you have with substitution, they'll give you a value for your letter that you're going to be substituting into the expressions. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood that. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. I hope now you can do some simple substitution questions now. So yeah, I hope that video has been helpful to you. And again, thank you for tuning in to Paul's Maths Labs, and I'll see you guys later.